That's right, folks. We are back here at the Salt River. This is our third video here. The first two times we got skunk, and today, you know, our best hope and luck that we should be looking forward to is to expect no fish, to expect no catch at all. Matter of fact, you know, I'm just out here practicing casting with lure on, you know. So today, I'm not even gonna call this video fishing. We're just gonna call it practice casting our spinner into the water. Anyway, y'all, welcome back to another video. So yeah, today I'm back out here at the Salt River. As you guys can see, not a lot of people today. At least I don't see any yet, so I could take my sweet time, but at the same time I really gotta lock in today, guys, and catch something for you guys. So yeah, let's do this. Check this place out, man. This place is a curse. The other time I came here, I fell right there with the waiter on. I didn't capture that on camera, but you're gonna have to take my word for it. So today, let's try not to fall in the water. And let's just take a look at this amazing, beautiful river. Look at those. Can you guys see those fishes? We got some smallmouth bass in the water. They're not trout though. So we got two rod today. We're gonna start with our power bait setup. This is what we'll be using for the power bait. Just gonna smush it on just like that. Right there. For our second rod, we'll be using spinner. A smaller one this time. All right, just like that. Let's get it. Really hope we catch something today, guys. I'll take anything, honestly. It doesn't have to be a trout. I'll take those little smallmouth just to break the skunk for this YouTube channel, because we are on a nice little streak. But that's not a good thing, so let's not keep that streak up, shall we not? Look at this, our best friend seaweed in every video. Ooh, I think we got one, guys. Ooh, we got one. Let's go. Hey, what did I say? Time to lock in. We got a little smallmouth bass, but I'll take it, man. I'll take it. I don't have a net, so this is not going to be a very pretty landing. There he is. Wait, that's Well, it's not a... Yeah, that's a largemouth actually. Okay, I did it. Alright guys, here's our first fish. A little largemouth. I'm gonna release this little guys. Thanks for biting, buddy. Thanks for breaking the skunk. Let's go. 4 video. It takes us 4 video to get a fish on this channel, but we finally did it. So I'm expecting videos from now on to not get a skunk, because those are boring, I'm sure, for you guys and for me as well. So let's try to get more.
We unfortunately did not get more on this spot.
Well guys, so I fished there for a while, and other than the largemouth bass that we caught early on, today we really have nothing else going on for us. Plus a couple of fishermen showed up, so I didn't want to be there and record and fish at the same time, because it's kind of awkward for me, you know. Plus that spot is trash, bro. I'm just kidding. That spot gave us our first fish for this channel, so we got to be thankful for that. But yeah, right now we're just gonna go back to the spot I was usually at, you know, where I got skunked every time. But hopefully today it makes a difference. I mean, this video is already a success, you know. We didn't expect anything yet. We got a fish, so that's the way to do it, guys. Got to be grateful for every little thing. So let's go to our new spot. All right guys, so this is what I'm gonna be snacking on. Chicken wings from Circle K. What can I say? They really do have bomb food, and I'm just out here shouting them out for free. Circle K, sponsor me, man. Thank you. Anyways, y'all, so this is gonna be our snack. For our meal today though, we probably won't be having any meals. So a challenge I set for myself today is, if I don't catch what I am out here to catch, which is a trout, then we won't be having a meal. But if I do end up catching a trout today, then you will see me having a delicious meal. With that being said, let's dig into our delicious snacks indeed. Let you guys have the first bite. Good little snack we have. Now, let's get back in action. Well guys, I know it probably don't look much like it on the camera, but as you can see on the previous footage, it is getting dark out here and the mosquitoes are out. So I'm gonna just call it a day for fishing here at the Salt River. You know, I don't really expect much today, so I wouldn't say I regret coming out here, you know, because we did break our skunk today. So this river, it's a blessing and a curse. I don't know if I'm gonna be coming back here, but I hope you guys enjoy this one. I know it's gonna be a short one because not catching anything, it's kind of boring for me and probably for you guys as well. So we in the same boat here, you know. So like I said, you know, since I didn't catch a trout, we will be having no meals today. I'm gonna end it right here and I'm gonna go home, enjoy myself a meal at home, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully on the next one, like always, you know, we catch more fish, something bigger as well. We caught that little largemouth today. That is our record for this channel, but more to come for sure. And until the next video, peace.